You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this dish from Mexican cuisine? I mean, it means marinated, essentially, in Spanish. So different dishes or different preparations may come as adobada. Adobada, alright? So you'd have carne adobada, for example, that would be marinated meat, or pork adobada, tacos de adobada, adobada. In English, it's usually referred to as adobada. For more names from Mexican cuisine, stay tuned. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.